Chapter 3 Logic Gates. Yeah, it's a small chapter. Actually, it is the continuation of chapter 2. Then, what is logic gate? Logic gate is an electronic circuit having one or more input signal and produce one and only one output signal. Then, for logic gate, how many input signal will be there? One or more input signal. And how many output signal? One and only one output signal. Which gate is having one and only one input signal? NOT gate is having only one input signal. OR gate and AND gate is having more than one input signal. That is two or more input signal. Two types of logic gates are basic gates and derived gates. Two types of logic gates are basic gates and derived gates. Then first one, what are all the basic gates? We have discussed the basic gates in the last chapter. What are all the basic gates? First one, NOT gate. Second one, OR. And third one, AND gate. These are the three basic logic gates. Then what is NOT gate? NOT gate is having one input signal and produce one output signal. Which is the input signal for NOT gate? This is the input signal for NOT gate. Suppose X is the input. What will be the output? X bar is the output of NOT gate. Okay, this is the NOT gate symbol. That is, if you are giving 0 as the input, you will get 1 output. That is, 0 bar is equal to 1. Then, if we are giving 1 as input, you will get the output 0. That is, if X is the input, X bar is the output. That is NOT gate. Next, second one, OR gate. What will be the output of OR gate? Yeah, last chapter I told first letter O. Then how can we say the output? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0 in which gate? OR gate. Which is the symbol for OR gate? This is the symbol for OR gate. If A and B are the input, what will be the output? A plus B will be the output. If A and B are the input, A plus B will be the output. That is, in OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. Next, third basic gate is AND gate. AND gate, A-N-D. Then which is the AND gate? C-A-N-D, D. See, this is the AND gate, A-N-D. Then last letter is D. So we can draw AND gate is like a D. See, this is a 2 input AND gate. If A and B are the input, what will be the output? AB will be the output. Okay, that is, if all the inputs are 1, output will be 1 in AND gate. If all the inputs are 1, output will be 1 in which gate? AND gate. Okay, these are the basic gates. What are the basic gates? NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. What is the output of NOT gate? If X is the input, X bar will be the output. In OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0 in OR gate. In AND gate, if all the inputs are 1, output will be 1. Okay, these are the basic gates. Now we can consider the derived gates. First, derived gates are NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. What are the gates? NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR. These are the derived gates. First we can discuss the first one, NOR gate. Actually this NOR gate means this OR gate followed by NOT gate. Okay, OR gate followed by NOT gate is the NOR gate. Then how can we represent this NOR gate? Actually this is which gate? OR gate. This is the OR gate. After that one NOT gate. This is the NOR gate. That is, if A and B are the input, what will be the output of OR gate? A plus B will be the output of OR gate. Then for this NOT gate, A plus B is the input. Then what will be the output of this NOT gate? A plus B the whole bar. Okay, that is, in this we can replace it by, see, like this. 1. Instead of this NOT gate, we can put only one this circle, small circle. That is, the output will be A plus B the whole bar. This is the representation of which gate? 2 input NOR gate. 2 input NOR gate. NOR gate means OR gate followed by one NOT gate. OR gate followed by one NOT gate is the NOR gate. That is, if A and B are the input, output of OR gate is A plus B. Output of NOR gate is A plus B the whole bar. Okay. Then how can we represent it using a truth table? NOR gate, we can represent the truth table for 2 input NOR gate. In OR gate, what will be the output? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. But in NOR gate, it is same like this. If all inputs are 0, output will be 1. Okay. In OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. But in NOR gate, same like this. If all the inputs are 0, opposite of this one, output will be 1. Then representation of 2 input NOR gate, we saw that one. Now we can see the truth table. 2 input truth table. 2 input NOR gate. 2 input NOR gate. How can we draw the truth table of 2 input NOR gate? A and B are the input. What will be the output of NOR gate? OR gate means output will be A plus B. NOR gate means output will be A plus B the whole bar. Then how can we represent this one? 0, 1, 0, 1. That is 2 input means how many combinations will be there? 2 to the power 2, that is 4 combinations. Then so that rightmost here, which is the rightmost input. B is the rightmost input. That will be in the order 0, 1, 0, 1. Next input will be in the order 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then what will be the output of this NOR gate? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 1. This is the truth table of 2-input NOR gate. This is the truth table of 2-input NOR gate. Okay. Then next 3-input NOR gate. What's the difference between 2-input NOR gate and 3-input NOR gate? 3-input means how many input will be there? 3 input. Then how can we draw the logic gate diagram? How many input? 3 input. Like this. First you need to draw the OR gate. Then one small bubble. That is the representation of 2-input, 3-input NOR gate. Okay. Then what are the inputs? We can give A, B and C are the input. Then what will be the output? If it is OR gate, what will be the output? A plus B plus C. If it is NOR gate, A plus B plus C the whole bar. NOR gate means OR gate followed by one NOT gate. This NOT gate we can represent using this bubble. Then how can we represent it using a truth table? How many inputs? 3 inputs. What are the inputs here? A, B, C are the input. What will be the output? A plus B plus C the whole bar. This is the NOR gate of 3-input NOR gate. Output of 3-input NOR gate. Then how can you draw the truth table? Here which is the rightmost input? C is the rightmost input. Here how many combinations will be there? How many inputs are there? 3 inputs. So how many combinations will be there? 2 to the power 3. What is the value of 2 to the power 3? 8. 8 combinations will be there. So we can write 0, 1, 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0, 1. This 8 combinations will be there. So rightmost input C will be in the order 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next input B. B will be in the order 0, 0, 1, 1. Again 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then next input A will be in the order how many zeros? 4 zeros. Then 4, 1. Okay. Like this we can write the input. Then what will be the output? If it is OR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. In NOR gate, opposite of that one. If all the inputs are 0, output will be 1. In all other case, you can write the output 0. Okay. Like this we can draw the truth table of 3-input NOR gate. Yeah. Then what is a logic gate? It is an electronic circuit having how many inputs? 1 or more input and produce how many output? 1 output. Then logic gate is an electronic circuit with 1 or more input signal to produce 1 output signal. 2 types of gates are basic gates and derived gates. What are all the basic gates? NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Then what are the derived gates? NOR gate, NAND, XOR and XNOR. Then NOR gate. What is a NOR gate? NOR gate means OR gate followed by one NOT gate. OR gate followed by one NOT gate is the NOR gate. In OR gate, what will be the output of OR gate? If all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. Same like that in NOR gate, if all the inputs are 0, output will be 1. Okay, this is the representation of that NOR gate. This is a 3-input NOR gate. 2 input means we need to put 2 input. If in 3-input NOR gate, if A, B, C are the input, what will be the output? A plus B plus C the whole bar will be the output.